Hi guys, welcome to Exploring Excel. In this video we're going to learn how to use the SUMIF function. SUMIF is a mathematical function and is a step up from the sum function that we've seen in one of the previous videos. It allows you to apply a single condition on the data that you're trying to sum. So let's get started. What we have here is a data set with the top 100 companies on the ASX. We've got their stock ticker code, we've got their company names, what sector they belong to, their market capitalization, and their weightage in their weight in the market. And what we want to do is to group the data by sectors to determine what portion of the ASX belongs to which sector. We want to group the weight by different sectors in this order. So we're going to use the SUMIF function. Press equal to SUMIF, open bracket. The first argument is the range, so that's the range where you want your criteria to be looked up in. So that would be this range. You press F4 to fix the range so that when you drag your formula down it doesn't change. Comma. You select your criteria, which is this cell right here, comma, and then the range that you want to sum. So that's this range. Press F4, close bracket, enter, and there you have it. You can just double click and your formula gets dragged down automatically, and you'll have that grouping and their breakdown. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time.